Bills.
Light skin
Talking about my sister, you fucked up. Thought you was gonna make a comeback for that ass. But I got you, nigga. Take this as personal as you want it, nigga. Don't try to come back. You're just gonna kill yourself. Yo. It's hard to get rid of me. This goes out cause this is special delivery. Bills, I'm on the grind from about 10 to 3. You already killed yourself. Don't think you killing me. Motherfucker, I'm still in the world. Don't try to make a comeback cause you killing yourself. You frontin' about your money while you lying to me. You ain't living to get paid, so you dying for free. Got the rap game on lock, supplying the key. Y'all niggas fold under pressure. You crying, you weak. You should go suicide. You die in your sleep. I'm a carnivore, always supplying the beef. Yo, don't stunt if you ain't ready. One shot from the petty, make it rain like confetti. Yo, now you violate. Talking about the fam is completely violation. Lucky you sustain it cause I'm not from the south, so keep my sister fucking name out your mouth.